In this tutorial I will show you how to deactivate Messenger only not Facebook account. The first step is to open the Messenger app. Then tap on three lines at top left. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and select See More in Account Center. Here select Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation and Deletion. Select your profile. Here choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your Messenger account. Select any of these. Tap Continue. Scroll down and tap Continue. Now enter your password and your Messenger account will be deleted.